YouTube? Welcome back. I'm Yana.
And I'm Mike.
And we're back with day 2. He decided to join me today. He don't want to be left out. He doesn't want my core to be tight and his looking all flabby and all of that. If this is your first time on our channel, welcome. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. Turn your post notification on so you never miss out. And if you're not interested in any workout videos, check out one of our educational videos. Check out the Disney World video. Check out one of the playlists, guys. But today we're back and this is day 2 of the 5D ab workout. So let's get it. Day 2, guys. Alright, guys. So the first one is going to be crunch. It's going to be 25 crunches. I don't know if I could do this without him holding my foot, but I'm gonna try. 25 crunches, guys. Let's get it. I don't think I'm coming up enough. $50 more. Five more. Guys, and I don't think I was coming up far enough. They only came up like quarter of the way, not fully.
Yeah, that's it. That hurts.
Yes, it hurts.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God.
No, it never hurt that much.
Next one is gonna be knees in. We have to do 30 knees in, guys.
What is that? Oh, God. Oh, man. Okay.
Ready. Whew. 10 more. Oh my God. He stopped like 3 times. He stopped like 3 times. He's worse than me, people.
I can't believe it.
I thought I was bad. Oh my God. This is hard.
God,
Next one is gonna be.
I used to be a soccer guy. You do that?
I never did this before, but I'm gonna try right now. Left side crunch. We're gonna do 20 left side crunch. I don't even know how to position myself. Left side crunch. So his foot straight. No, one straight. 20 left side crunch. Ten more. Now we're gonna do the right side, guys. Right side, 20 right side crunches. Five more. I think I did a better job with the right side than the left side, people. Oh my God. 20 seconds rest time. They don't have no rest time on the app. Yeah. He's dying over there. Whew. Whew. All right. Right, we're gonna do 30 simple Russian twists. 30. Come on.
Russian twist.
Ready. Touch the ground. You have to twist. 10 more. Woo! Feeling the burn, people. Feeling the burn. You're doing a lot of Russian twists, man.
Easy.
And for the last one, this is called a 4-point support. I've never done this before. I have to do it for a minute. It's like a plank, but you're on all fours. Your knee is not supposed to touch the floor.
That's the last one?
Yeah, that's the last one. Let me set the timer. Let me set the timer for a minute. So it's 4-point support.
Yeah.
Ready. Bending your knees, baby. Ooh, I'm shaking. Feeling this in my legs. Ooh.
Shit hurts, huh?
Yes, it hurts. Ah. Oh. Oh my God. Guys, this is no joke. And he's doing a plank, so I can't be left out. We do a plank too. Alright, I'm good. I did my 4-point support good. Guys, we've come to the end of day 2. Thank you so much for watching. If you sticked on to the end with us, I'm feeling the burn. No,
Feeling the ripples.
No big results right now, but hopefully by day 5, I can show you before and after. Tomorrow, I don't know if he's gonna join tomorrow.
I will.
Will you be joining tomorrow?
Yeah.
He says he's gonna make this a thing, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Oh, the ship.
And until next time.
Peace.